Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best Tasty Blue is probably one of the most unique and satisfying games I've played in a while. You start as a tiny fish, and your goal is simple: eat everything in sight to grow bigger and bigger. The gameplay is surprisingly addictive, and the vibrant visuals and quirky sound design create a truly immersive experience. Get ready to embark on a journey of aquatic consumption. Number 5. Unofficial Disney Parks Cookbook, 100 Magical Recipes. Tired of waiting in line for your favorite Disney treats? This cookbook brings the magic of Disney right into your kitchen. It's filled with 100 enchanting recipes. Craving that iconic Dole Whip? Now you can make it yourself. This book provides the perfect recipe, allowing you to enjoy this refreshing treat anytime. Want to create those famous Mickey pretzels? This cookbook has you covered. It includes easy-to-follow instructions to make these delicious snacks a reality. From appetizers to desserts, this cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes. Each recipe is inspired by the beloved treats found throughout the Disney parks. Looking for a gift for a Disney enthusiast? This cookbook is the perfect choice. It's a delightful way to bring the magic of Disney into their home. What we like. This cookbook brings the magic of Disney to your kitchen. It offers a delightful culinary journey inspired by your favorite theme park treats. If you are looking for a way to relive those magical Disney memories at home, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Perfect for the cookbook collector, the devoted Disney fan, or the home cook that just wants to add a bit of Disney magic to their kitchen. This book is beautiful to look at, fun to read, and an inspiration that will have your mouth watering and your mind eager to get cooking. It has a breakdown of recipes from the different Disney parks with park maps showing exactly where each recipe is from. The Dole Whip recipe in this book. It is different than the copycat version that Disney released a couple of years back. This Dole Whip recipe is very good, and if I had gotten the book for that alone, I would be more than happy with my purchase. Number 4. Blue Zone's Kitchen, 100 Recipes to Live to 100. Have you ever wondered how people live to be over 100? This book holds the key. It reveals the secrets of the Blue Zones, where people thrive for a century. Inside, you'll find 100 delicious recipes. They are inspired by the diets of the world's longest-lived people. It is a guide to eating your way to a longer life. The recipes are primarily plant-based and packed with flavor. They are designed to nourish your body and delight your taste buds. You will enjoy every bite. Don't worry, the recipes are easy to follow. They use readily available ingredients. It makes healthy eating simple and accessible for everyone. Start your journey to a longer, healthier life today. This book is your guide to embracing the Blue Zone's lifestyle. It's time to thrive. What we like. This book is your guide to a longer, healthier life through food. It features 100 recipes inspired by the world's Blue Zones. If you prioritize wellness and want to embrace a lifestyle centered around longevity, you should consider this. What people say. The recipes hail from the fabled Blue Zones, places like Sardinia, Okinawa, and Nicoya, where people somehow outsmart death while making meals that are surprisingly low on kale but high on flavor. The recipes aren't preachy. The dishes are hearty, flavorful, and easy to make, very satisfying. Number 3. Granitestone 20PC Nonstick Cookware and Bakeware Set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to equip your kitchen. It features frying pans, saucepans, stock pots, and even a complete baking set. This set is designed to elevate your cooking and baking experience. The Granitestone blue surface is coated multiple times and reinforced with diamonds. This provides the ultimate food release, requiring no seasoning, oil, or butter. Cleanup is incredibly easy with this feature. The coating is derived from minerals and reinforced with diamonds, ensuring it's made without PFOA and PFOS. This provides a healthy and eco-friendly experience for your entire family. The diamond-infused coating makes the pan durable enough to withstand metal utensils. Spatulas, spoons, and whisks are all safe to use, ensuring years of non-stick use. After cooking, simply place the cookware in the dishwasher. This makes cleanup quick and easy, saving you time and effort. It's compatible with gas, electric, and glass cooktops, and is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The set includes lids for added convenience. Stamped from a single sheet of aluminum, it ensures even heat conductivity. This design eliminates hot spots, providing consistent cooking results. What we like. This set provides everything you need to equip your kitchen. The non-stick surface ensures easy food release and cleanup. If you are looking for a durable and versatile cookware set that simplifies cooking and cleaning, this is the one for you. What people say. I have had few issues with this set. Unlike previous sets that really peeled or chipped after a year or so, I am only now noticing the pan we use the most having a few scratches on it. Excellent pot and pan set, everything cooks evenly, easy to clean. Heat distribution is great, non-stick works excellent. They heat quickly, cook evenly, are non-stick, and stand up to metal utensils. Number 2. Oddworld, new, and tasty, limited edition, NSW. This limited edition includes the base game. It also comes with an exclusive box featuring a lenticular cover. You'll also find a keychain and a sheet of stickers. This is a completely remade version of Oddworld, Abe's Odyssey. The game has been updated for a new generation of gamers. It's a puzzle platformer with 2 control schemes. This allows it to appeal to both modern gamers and those who prefer a more classic approach. The game features gorgeously imagined 3D environments. These environments add depth to the side-on 2D gameplay, creating a more immersive experience. It has an innovative game speak system. This system allows you to communicate with NPCs, input audio passwords, and issue commands. There's a lot to explore. What we like. It's a reimagining of a beloved classic with enhanced graphics and gameplay. The limited edition includes exclusive collectibles. If you like puzzle platformers with a unique charm and want a collector's item, you should consider this. What people say. Just like the original, only better graphics. My family has been having fun playing this remade classic. This game is fun. It has fantastic graphics. Number 1. Tasty Sound Collection, Whiskey and Blues. This collection is designed to transport you. It captures the essence of soulful blues music. You'll feel like you're right there in the smoky bar. The tracks evoke the rich, warm tones of whiskey. The music is perfect for a relaxing evening. It's a perfect blend of sound and mood. This collection features authentic blues music. It's a journey through the heart of the genre. You can experience the true spirit of blues. Whether you're unwinding or entertaining guests, this is ideal. It sets the perfect atmosphere. It's a versatile addition to your music library. Explore the full range of tracks. This collection offers a diverse selection. It's a must-have for any blues enthusiast. What we like. This collection offers a blend of whiskey and blues music. It provides a tasty sound experience. If you like relaxing music, you should consider this. What people say. Good blues CD. Many good tracks. Nice songs and nice sounds. Des prizes de son de tres haute qualité que permettent de faire connaissance avec des artistes de grand talent. Recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.